After a couple of months or so, you will need to change your blades. There are a few things that you can do to save yourself some blades. The first time around, I would normally recommend switching these two discs around because they run in opposite directions and you can use both sides of the blades by doing so. To remove them and switch them over, you just need to unscrew and obviously reattach these three 2.5mm Allen keys around the center core. If it is time to actually change one, all you need to do is get your blade. It should come with a screw as well, and I generally recommend using a hand tool and not a drill, as it's really easy to cut yourself, particularly when you suddenly hit the end of the screw. So unscrew it using the Phillips head screwdriver, getting your fresh blade and your fresh screw. It doesn't matter which way up at all, screw it back on in. You should find that it won't screw right the way in because it is intended for this blade to rotate quite freely, so that if it hits a rock or something it won't crack the whole disc and the blade will just flick out of the way. You can, if you want to be really fussy, get another 2 lives out of your blades by using the second hole there. Obviously you just need to unscrew that screw there and then put it through that hole, because as you'll see if you look closely, only half of the blade is actually exposed to the grass at any point in time.